Microsoft appear real serious about fixing the many things wrong with Windows 11. A while back, they made a blog post talking about how they're taking initiative and how they'll be addressing many of the biggest pain points, like for example, pointless Copilot integrations, File Explorer performance, and we have actually already seen some of these things put into practice, with Copilot already being removed from Snipping Tool, for example. All of this appears to be part of a much bigger scheme at Microsoft to turn Windows 11 around, with this project being called K2. Now let's make some things clear. K2 is not a new version of Windows, neither is it one big update to Windows 11. Rather, it's just the name of the ongoing project to make Windows 11 that much better and to really turn around its reputation. Starting off, there'll be a lot of changes when it comes to how games actually play on your PC, and it looks like SteamOS is actually the benchmark when it comes to the kind of ease of use that they want for gaming on Windows 11. Then there's of course performance and de-bloating, removing everything that isn't necessary, keeping everything that's actually useful to users installed, but also making sure that those things actually run properly. Things like File Explorer and the Start menu should all receive major boosts in performance as part of these efforts. And then there's of course the UI as well, moving away from still having stuff that uses design elements from Windows versions from days past and ensuring that everything adheres to WinUI 3. And another thing that they've made abundantly clear is the fact that they want to listen to the community, want to listen to feedback and seeing what the biggest problems are and how to make things easier in Windows 11 for the average user. So hopefully they'll be actually doing that. Again, given how big of a project Windows is, I mean, it's literally only the biggest operating system in the world for PCs. Obviously, you can't really listen to every single person who uses Windows out there because there's just too many. So I'm very curious as to how exactly they're going to filter it all down to just the actually useful advice and feedback from average users. And by the way, if you want some feedback from me, Microsoft, please for the love of everything move some of these settings that are currently only adjustable via the registry editor into just the regular settings menu. So what are your hopes for K2? Or let me know down in the comments below. I'm very curious to hear what you guys actually want from Windows 11. Windows 11 is already amazing, don't get me wrong. I mean, it's the most feature-rich version of Windows we ever had, but it has many issues, and I highly doubt they're going to fix all of them, but even if they just fix some of them, I think that's still a decent enough win. Like, that's how low our expectations are for big companies nowadays. But something that doesn't need fixing because it's already great is our Patreon, because you can get plenty of perks for just $1 a month while supporting the channel. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Lavroniak, Balashok, and other pseudonym Maxim, Machine, Allcraft, and Mason Magruder. But anyway, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.